Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Velo in every practical sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.09% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Velo fundamentally has a complete market cap of $30,087,298 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,189,492 in an unpretentious manner. This truly makes Velo beautiful positioning at 540 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of enormous manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo fundamentally be certainly worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is Velo a generally excellent speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly? Will Velo cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking extremely high in a kind of huge manner? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which sort of is very huge. Velo value expectation 2023, or so they truly thought. As per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Velo cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $0. The normal especially least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to be $0, exhibiting that sort of is Velo a very wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they thought. Besides, Velo can for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0, or so they fundamentally thought. Velo value expectation April 2023. Velo cost generally is supposed to basically reach between $0 April 2023, while the especially normal cost of Velo for the April in a real sense stays around $0 value expectation May 2023. With respect to May 2023, Velo cost generally is figured to truly arrive at a practically the least cost of $0, or so they generally thought. The Velo cost could arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0. Velo value expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Velo cost by and large is figured to fundamentally arrive at an in every way that really matters, least cost of $0, or so they generally thought. The Velo cost could especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0, the especially normal expected cost around $0, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Velo value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Velo especially is determined to sort of be at around a very least worth of $0, which is very critical. The Velo value worth can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $0, the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an every way that really matters, huge way. Velo value estimate August 2023. The Velo cost for August 2023 may explicitly arrive at least worth of $0, the kind of most extreme gauge cost especially as around $0 a kind of significant manner. The especially normal cost for Velo sort of is most certainly anticipated to fundamentally reach $0 August 2023, or so they basically thought. Velo value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Velo for the most part is supposed to basically arrive at a very least value worth of $0 in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0, the essentially normal cost around $0, or so they in every practical sense thought. Velo value expectation October 2023. Velo cost in every practical sense is supposed to especially reach between $0 October 2023, while the very normal cost of Velo for the October by and large stays around $0 value forecast November 2023. The cost of Velo explicitly is really anticipated to especially reach at a sort of least worth of $0 November 2023, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The Velo cost could for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 incredibly. Velo value expectation December 2023. Velo cost by and large is supposed to reach between $0 December 2023, while the especially normal cost of Velo for the December especially remains around $0 truly past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been truly diminished by 4.3% in its genuinely current worth, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we sort of analyze the exceptionally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which for the most part is very huge. Velo certainly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, which generally is genuinely critical. The Velo generally is down to nearly 20.46% in the sort of most recent 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for kind of past truly couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have major areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't explicitly believe that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment, exhibiting how might Velo value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they truly thought. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo in a real sense diminished by 16.158%. Killing an astounding kind of normal amount of $0 its certainly current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be in every practical sense. Great truly purchase a potential open door for sort of speedy speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change especially is around 82.49%, and the cost circled from a really least certainly normal cost of $0 by and large greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of $0 the especially beyond 90 days. Further appearance how in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023, which explicitly is very huge. In very most recent 4 months Velo in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, so Velo value estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Velo all things considered is supposed to arrive at least value worth of $0, or so they sort of thought. Consequently, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, showing how in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Velo basically be for the most part worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, as indicated by the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Velo sort of is expanded from 4 months, so the Velo cost could arrive at a greatest cost of $0, the really normal expected cost around $0, which is very huge. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The coin sort of is up by 79.41% with the sort of most extreme really normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0. The truly least typical cost of basically was around $0 beyond 4 months. Velo value estimate 2023. What will really be Velo especially worth in 2023, in opposition to mainstream thinking? The Velo cost for the most part is estimated to basically arrive at a greatest degree of $0 kind of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 incredibly. Does Velo sort of have a future, which explicitly is very huge? As far as value, Velo really has a remarkable certainly potential to especially arrive at new levels. Pretty further appearance how Velo all things considered is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in a by and large enormous manner. It generally is estimate that Velo will increment in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, as per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Velo can fundamentally stir things up around town of the greatest cost of 4 cents till 2030, showing the way that the Velo cost could basically arrive at in every practical sense. Most extreme cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0, or so they especially thought. Is Velo in every practical sense worth